video will show you how to make the font size or font text on your browser bigger. So let's go in. So I show you how to make even your icons bigger. Now go to your phone and tap on the settings. Scroll all the way down until you get to About Phone. Tap on About Phone. Scroll all the way down. Tap on Software Information. Scroll down. You'll see Build Number. Tap on Build Number 7 times. As you tap, you will see that it's counting until it gets to 7. All right. Now, if you have a PIN enabled on your phone, this will come out prompting you to enter your PIN number. So I'm going to enter my PIN number. And take note, once I enter my PIN number, you will see that the options will get activated. Tap my PIN number and press Next. You'll see Developer Mode has been enabled. Let's take this out. Go back to your settings. Tap on the settings. Now, at the top right-hand corner, tap on the search icon. Now, search for developer options. You can see here on my screen that I already have recent searches as developer options, but I'm going to just search on developer options. So I'm going to further go ahead. Now, while you're typing that, this comes out, which is developer options. Tap on it. Now scroll all the way down until you find drawing. So I'm going to scroll down until I find the section called drawing. Slowly. Now there it is. You will see drawing there. Now scroll a little bit down until you see minimum width. Now that is it. I'll tap on minimum width. Depends on the phone that you're using. It could be smallest width. Okay. Now over here, I'm going to delete what I have there and type in, let's say 340. All right. Now minimum width 340. I'm going to click OK. Now you take note and see how the font size and my browser will become bigger. It's configuring. Now everything, the font size is being magnified. You can see clearly now. Now if I go to my browser, I was at Google initially. It's taking time to magnify my browser. You can see the font size, everything is nicely magnified now. Okay. All right. Now this is how to magnify the font size, the icon, the browsers of your phone if you have eyesight problem. All right. Now let's go back to the settings. Let's say that might be too small for someone out there. You might want to further magnify that. So you go back to that section. Okay, so if you want to further magnify it, we can come back to minimum width and perhaps just make that 320 and press OK. So it takes a little bit time to just adjust the configuration. Can you see? It made it even much bigger. Now, if I go to my browser, you'll see, you can see that the font size or the browser and the pictures are much bigger. If this video helped you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, if you want to see how to disable your developer options from the settings, click on the video that appears next. I'll see you in the next video.